Hi, this is P R Sundar. Welcome to Dalal Street Week Ahead program. And first, let us see what happened in the recent past. The markets have seen a fantastic rally of more than 20% in Nifty in the last 2 months and nearly 50% in Bank Nifty in last 2 months. And that is mainly because of positive global cues as well as Corona vaccine news. And top of which, there are some India-specific news like MSCI rebalancing issue. Because of MSCI rebalancing, FIIs have pumped in a lot of money. In the month of November alone, they have pumped in more than 60,000 crores, and which is the highest ever monthly inflow by FIIs in the history of Indian stock market. But they are all what happened in the past. What is going to happen in the future, especially for the next 4 days. So this week, Monday is a holiday, so we have only 4 more trading sessions. The December series begins with huge long position by FIIs. FIIs index futures right now holding 82% long and 18% short. In the past, whenever FIIs had more long positions, more than 75%, by the end of the month, markets have corrected actually. So, we can expect some correction by the end of December. But coming to the next 4 days, I am not expecting Nifty to fall below 12,800. In the last 1 week or 10 days, the Nifty took support around 12,800 few times. So that should act as a support. And the resistance should be a near all-time high. Let us say around 13,200. So I am expecting Nifty to trade between 12,800 and 13,200 for the next 4 trading sessions. And disclaimer, this is just my opinion. I may be wrong. But looking at the news flow, right now Singapore Nifty is down because of global cues. Dow futures are down, European markets are down. But we don't know tomorrow how they will open. But today, though most of the global markets are down, the China markets are up because their manufacturing PMI data came better than expected. Tomorrow and day after tomorrow, most of the countries' manufacturing PMI data will be out. And if those data are good, the markets can stabilize, can even move higher. So, the major data that we are expecting this week is a manufacturing PMI data. In India, I think it comes tomorrow. And services PMI data, which comes on Thursday. And all over the world, manufacturing PMI data is coming tomorrow and day after tomorrow. On Friday, we have a RBI policy. But because the inflation has been high, I don't think that RBI will be doing anything to tinker with the interest rates. At best, we can expect a status quo, and that is likely to become a non-event for the markets. As usual, tomorrow and day after tomorrow, we can expect monthly auto sales data. In the last 2 months, although Bank Nifty shot up 50%, Nifty shot up 20%, 25%, the auto stocks did not perform well. For example, Maruti has been trading around 7,000 for last 1 or 2 months. There was no significant increase in the auto stock prices. So we have to see how the monthly auto sales data comes, and which is likely to be good because November month was Deepavali month. So around Deepavali festival time, a lot of people buy automobiles. So monthly auto sales data, monthly cement sales data, manufacturing PMI data, services PMI data, and the Reserve Bank policy meet. So these are the key events to watch in our market for the next 4 days. So I'm not expecting any further runaway rally. That's because most of the positives have already been factored in, and the market has already shot up too much in too short period. At the same time, I'm not expecting market to fall much from here. There may be a correction of 4 or 5% anytime. That's a normal thing. But for this week, and I'm expecting Nifty to trade between 12,800 and 13,200. And thank you for watching.